Now, in this question, we have to prove that the left-hand side is equal to 2 cosec squared theta. So let's obtain the proof. So we have that 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 cosec squared theta. So at this point, the first step is to take LCM. Now, our LCM at the left-hand side will be the product of the denominators. So we have that this is 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. So therefore, we have it that the numerator here becomes 1 minus cos theta plus, when the LCM is divided by this denominator here, we are left with 1 plus cos theta. So everything here is equal to 2 cosec squared theta. Now, look at this. If you observe at the numerator, you can find out that minus cos theta will cancel out plus cos theta. So we'll be left with 2 at the numerator divided by, if we expand the denominator, 1 times 1 is 1. Also, 1 times negative cos theta is negative cos theta. And cos theta times 1 is plus cos theta. Also, cos theta minus cos theta is minus cos squared theta. And we have to show that this is equal to 2 cosec squared theta. Also, minus cos theta and plus cos theta will cancel out. Again, we'll be left with 2 at the left-hand side divided by 1 minus cos squared theta, which is equal to 2 cosec squared theta. Now, if you look at the left-hand side, the denominator can be expressed in this form. Recall that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. So at this point, we will replace the denominator with sine squared theta. So we now have that this is 2 divided by sine squared theta, and this is equal to 2 cosec squared theta. So the left-hand side can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 1 divided by sine squared theta, which is still equal to 2 cosec squared theta. First, we know that cosec squared theta is equal to 1 divided by sine squared theta. So at this point, we'll replace this expression here by cosec squared theta. First, it has been shown at the left-hand side, which is now 2 cosec squared theta is equal to the right-hand side, which is 2 cosec squared theta. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe you must have found this proof helpful. Please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.